Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Gilbert Kirsch, and I'm one of the members of the Legislative Assembly of Saskatchewan, Canada. And I've been invited to this Welsh gathering, and I'm most pleased to be here and proud to be here representing Canada as an observer. The issues we're discussing here are wonderful because this is what builds our Commonwealth of Nations, and we get to meet and know people from other Commonwealth nations, and we can grow and build on that. And for that, I thank the Welsh Parliamentary Association, and I thank you all for being able to be here.
Hi, I'm Samantha Sacramento from the Gibraltar branch. The conference so far is fantastic. It's great to be back in Wales with typical Welsh hospitality. We've had some very interesting discussions already this morning and looking forward to the rest.
Margaret Mitchell, CPA, Executive Branch, Scotland. So far the two main issues that we've looked at is bilingualism, and it's been fascinating to see how the Welsh language has been promoted and integrated and become a normal part of Welsh public life, parliamentary life and social life as well. On the gender issue, there's been many different experiences from all over the BIMR countries and some very useful pointers on how they've managed to get more parity and more equal representation. A very strong message coming across that if we are to tackle this issue, then it must be the causes as opposed to the symptoms that we're looking at, not just for parliamentarians but women in public life. So some very encouraging comments and some points to reflect on from the members, I think, of every legislator within the British Isles and Mediterranean region.
I'm Alan Hazelhurst. I'm the chairman of the UK branch of the Commonwealth Parliamentary Association, and also at the present time the chairperson of the Executive Committee of the Commonwealth Parliamentary Association internationally. What is happening here at this regional conference, there are 9 regions in the CPA, is a microcosm of what the Commonwealth Parliamentary Association is all about, discussing, we hope, issues which are of relevance to the public as a whole and to parliamentarians in particular as to how they can improve their practices, make their parliaments work better, encourage more women, more young people to believe it's worthwhile to take part in parliamentary democracy. So some of the issues being discussed here about different languages, because the Commonwealth now is not just all about English, because we've got a Portuguese-speaking country and a French-speaking country who have joined the Commonwealth in more recent years. Also the question of women and how you encourage more participation by women in Parliament. So these are live issues here in Wales, in the United Kingdom and the other parts of the region, as well as across the world.
I'm Carmelo Avila. I come from Malta. At present I'm the government spokesperson and whip of the Labour Parliamentary Group in Malta. First of all, I would like to congratulate the Welsh branch for organizing this conference, and I congratulate you also for Cardiff and the magnificent hospitality that was extended to us. Secondly, what we debated today was basically empowering women to take active role or more active role in society. Of course, women form part at least half of the population, so indeed we need to have more women in politics and more women also in society and leading having a lead in the private entity as well. Secondly, we also discussed the issue of language. Of course, communication is very important, and multilingualism and the use of languages and different languages even in parliaments. I think that it's important to have this aspect debated and how to improve on what we are doing today.